clap and snap. And gamo ko na sa mga estudyante ko. Sundon man na nila. Sundan niyo ko, be? Sagad gid siya. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nagindala mo ginadi sila. Sagad gid. Okay, ready? Go!
Then they all went to heaven in a little rubber boat. Clap, 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 snap. Clap, 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 snap. Clap.
Allah, sige sagad.
Then they all went to heaven in a little rubber boat. Clap, 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 snap. Clap, 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 snap. Clap.
Pwede ba na left and right? Okay, thank you very much. That was a wonderful warm-up. Actually, it's not just by chance. Ngagin pa, amuta ka mo sina. When I'm in Thailand, every day is a warm-up day. So before I enter my classroom, I have to do a warm-up. It's either I have to ask questions, or I have to sing, or I let them do some commands, or follow some commands. Just like what I did a while ago, gimpaklap ta ka mo. Gimpa-raise ko ang inyong hands. And another one is, pwede nyo na i-apply sa inyong man nga classroom. When I say 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Ano sabat nyo? Okay, tuduan ta ka mo. Don't worry. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay, so dapat arigid ila mata sa akon. Okay, pag mo ko na, o basta gignistoryahan, ay nanada sila.